Okay, today we will be trying. Everybody will be trying, or 2 people will be trying this, which is me, and also him right here, right there. Yes, he will be in this video. This is his. Now the one that she was just pointing in, that is our red, which is cherry, and our purple is grape, and we got green apple, sour green apple, and we have orange. So today we are, and she is going to be trying this. She is going to be trying this.
Sweet tea.
And we're going to be, and this is all available at Casey's if you want it.
You just have a Casey's.
And we're going to start. Okay. Which one are we going to try first? Orange. Orange? Okay. We're all going to try orange first.
Does anyone have it in orange?
No. Now, we're getting some orange. That's yummy. It's not really sour. Probably really sour, guys.
Oh yeah, right. I'm ready.
What? 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 Okay, that is all we're going to try right now. And then now we're going to try grape. Grape is really good. Who's at it?
Okay, I'll show purple. Not that, the purple grape.
That's ours.
Now we're going to try red.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
This is my
After
favorite.
that, we're going to try green. Then we're all going to share our things we like about our drinks. Now, or green time. That one's a little more sour.
Yeah, we'll have to say that green is the most sour. Look how green mine is now. It was red.
The green is most fun.
Oh.
We're eating on yours.
What? Now we get to pick our favorite color and chug it. My favorite color is red.
We're going to try orange. I'm going to try green.
Still got some more. Oh yeah, show him.
Sour. This is sour. Okay, now to the drink test. Now she's going to try her drink. That's gross. Try her drink. Is it good?
I can eat this.
Okay. Now I'm going to drink mine. Try mine.
We can eat this.
Okay, ready?
It tastes gross.
Tastes good. He had the same one.
It's so good. It tastes like grape.
Tastes pretty good.
Thank you guys for watching my video.
Bye. Bye.
You guys say like, subscribe.
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 Comment. Bye guys.